Hi guys, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. Thank you so much for logging on today, and thank you so much for all of your comments on my last video because they really motivate me to create more for you. So if you would like to see more of these videos on a regular basis, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know. So yeah, today should be a really fantastic day when it comes to food as usual. I'm really excited today because I have such a good menu planned. I've already had my breakfast, which is pretty standard. I'll insert that now. So breakfast is pretty much a normal day for me, if I'm honest. I'm gonna start off with yogurt and fruit because that's my fave, as you guys know. So I'm going to be having this yogurt, which is one by Aldi. It's a mango flavour, which I really do like. The weird thing is, I really detest mango, like fresh. I don't know why, but I love the scented mango in products, and I love mango yogurt. So I'm gonna have some of that along with some fruit. So I'm gonna get my app out of my pocket because I can never remember. I think it's like 4 points per 100 grams. I'm not too sure, so let's check. So, as I suspected, this is 4 points per 150 grams, which I always think I won't eat, but then I totally end up eating that much. So I feel like it's fair, but I'm gonna weigh it out, as you guys know. And I keep banging on, but if you guys do not have digital scales, it really is worth investing in some, just so you can be precise. I've heard a lot of people saying that they're not sure about their scales, and my idea of it, or my thoughts on it are, if you're working this hard, you want to make sure that your quantities are accurate. So do invest in digital, because then there's no guesswork, which is great. So I'm just going to serve myself up. I feel like 100 grams might be enough for me, actually, looking at this portion. Actually, I'm going to call it 101. Because I'm not going to try and scoop anything out. So I'm going to use that food and I'm going to track 101 grams, and I'll let you know what that means in points. 3 points. So of course, when it comes to fruit, my go-tos are blackberries. I really love blackberries. I love the tanginess of them. I also have some blueberries here. Of course, all of this is free. And I also have my fave, which is raspberries. Who said that yogurt is boring? This is literally one of my favorites. If you had some pumpkin seed or anything like that, feel free to pop that on the top as well. But this is just my little bowl of happiness right here. Not forgetting, of course, my coffee. Because who can start a day without coffee? Am I right? And now it's lunchtime, and that yogurt really did fill me up. I really enjoyed it. It was really fresh and awakening, and to be honest with you, it's definitely a go-to for me when I'm not quite sure what I want. It's really refreshing and it fills me up, which is great. So now it's lunchtime and I'm gonna pop downstairs. I'm kind of umming and ahhing between soup or a sandwich, not too sure yet. I'll get down and see what I fancy. But also, I'm really excited tonight because we're gonna be making another meal from the Weight Watchers app, which is really exciting because I haven't made this particular meal when I've been pointing before, and it's going to be stuffed peppers. I'm so excited about it. I really do love me a good stuffed pepper when it comes to cheese and meats and just loads of veggies. It's going to be delicious, so I'm really excited about that. And speaking of Weight Watchers, you guys might have seen, if it's gone live, I'm not too sure if it has, but if it has, you will have seen that I recently was invited to become a Weight Watchers ambassador. That is so exciting to me. To be honest, I was making the videos anyways, but what this means is I'll have involvement in the app, I'll have involvement in recipe development, I can share with you campaigns, I'll get a box of products every month that shows me what's going on, what's great for you guys to know. And I feel like it's great for you guys because if you have any questions, I can get answers from the exact source for you guys. So it's so helpful. So I'm really proud of that. I'm really happy that they've invited me. It means so much, and it wouldn't be possible if you guys weren't watching my videos. So thank you for all of that, because I'm just mega thrilled about it. I think it's amazing. So yeah, thank you for that. And it also means I don't have to pay for my membership, so speaking of memberships, I'm going to put my referral code down below. There have been some of you guys that have been saying that the referral code hasn't been working for you, and that is because I have to email it to you. So if you would like a discount code where you get a month for free, let me know your email address, like private message me on Instagram or put it in the comments box down below, and I will email my code to you, and then you can use it to sign up, and then you get a free month. And I don't get a free month because I don't pay at the moment, but you know, you get a free month, which is fantastic. So yeah, let's go and have lunch because I feel like I'm running away with myself. I hope you'll enjoy it. Again, like it, comment down below, and let's go and eat. Okay guys, so a bit of a rogue choice for me, but I've decided on having a sandwich. I just want something a little bit more sort of substantial. So I'm going to be having a chicken spread sandwich. You guys might gasp, I freaking love chicken spread. I cannot get enough of it. I think it's amazing. But yeah, it might not be the most tasty. It's 2 points for half the jar, which is definitely enough for me. And I'm going to have it on a brioche bun. Because I don't have any regular muffins and I feel like, you know, it's fine. So a brioche bun is going to cost a grand total of 5 points for one. And 2 points for this. It's 7 points, which is quite hefty when you consider the fact that it's a sandwich, but I mean, it's fine. I don't mind that at all. And I made some lemon drizzle cake the other day. I obviously cannot point this completely accurately, but what I can do is weigh it out and use a standard lemon drizzle point value, because obviously whatever is in a Tesco lemon drizzle cake you'll probably find in this one. So I'm just gonna search for lemon drizzle cake and I'm gonna have some, guys, because I'm feeling like it today. I want something. So I'm gonna use the Waitrose recipe, but instead of slices I'm gonna change it to grams because I feel like that's the most accurate way for me to do it. So I'm gonna get myself a nice square, and that is 44 grams, which equates to 7 points, which is a lot. But again, I'm having peppers for dinner, so I don't feel like it's too much to ask for. And also, you know, this is what my weeklies are for. I'm not gonna deprive myself, and I don't think you guys should either, especially when it comes to having a treat. So yeah, lemon drizzle for me. I know it's not good for me, guys, and a lot of you guys hate that I drink this, but honestly, I mean, I love Coke Zero. I only have a couple of glasses a day. That's a lie. I probably have about 3 glasses a day. But yeah, it's my vice, guys. It's my vice. It's now time to get Layla. I'm going to take a banana with me on my walk. I haven't had a banana today, so I'm definitely wanting one. Obviously it's free, but I thought I'd update you guys. So I've just got back from the school run and it's time to make dinner. And as I mentioned before, I don't know if I did mention this actually, we're going to be having stuffed peppers. It is of course from the Weight Watchers app, but I've made a few alterations, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you guys how you can actually edit the recipes as well. Okay, I'm just gonna unlock my phone. So this is what the recipe looks like, and it's meant to be 7 points per serving, but if you click on the little pen at the top, you can actually edit the recipe. So this is all the ingredients that you need. And they've used a pre-packaged or pre-jarred chili con carne sauce, which is the majority of the point value. I'm going to get rid of that because I'm going to make my own out of chopped tomatoes and things like that. Also, we're not going to be using this Danish bread in our recipe either. So doing all that actually makes these 3 points a serving, but obviously I'm going to be adding other things. This actually already includes the cheese, but we might have more than that. I'm going to need 2 large peppers. This is going to serve 2 people, by the way. I have some organic olive oil. Feel free to use a calorie controlled spray. I have some passata, a red onion, some mushrooms, an assortment of herbs and spices. I have some parsley, some grated garlic, and I have added in some lentils as well, and I also have some tomato puree paste here, and of course some stock as well. So all in all, I would say, you know, maybe a point extra in regards to ingredients, but it's pretty much the same. So I'm gonna get on with making these now, and I'm hoping that they'll be really tasty. Also, I'm enjoying a coffee as well. I've just had a banana, so coffee and a banana is pretty much snack for me. Doesn't actually call for mushrooms, but I'm a big fan of adding whatever you have in the fridge to your meals. Obviously you don't have to consider things that are free, like, you know, fruit and vegetables, but if you have anything that you think, you know, would suit it well, don't be afraid to get experimental, because 9 times out of 10 I add and take things away, and I think that's the great thing about the app as well. It allows you to do that and be more flexible and make things just to your taste, I suppose. I'm gonna add them in mince now. This is the 5% fat lean beef mince, but feel free to use whatever, you know, go to the butcher's. I sometimes do that and get steak mince. This is what I have at the moment, so I'm going to pop that in now, and then I'll add the tomato and some of the lentils and things like that. And I really like to work the mincemeat. I find that there is nothing worse than having a mincemeat based meal and biting into really gristly, lumpy, fat chunks of mince. So I really like to work it so it's really sort of thinned out and you're not getting any of those horrible lumps. The mince has been completely worked down, so there are no big fat lumps in there, which I'm not a fan of, especially when it comes to stuffing peppers. Dinner was delicious. I ate the entire bowl. It was so nice. And do you know what? It was so refreshing to have stuffed peppers because it's not something that we have often, and it was really a nice change, especially to have it with the homemade sauce as well. Again, feel free to make your own, but I have 4 points to roll over on my 28 because I'm maintaining. So obviously if you're not and you're on 23, then it was just 1 point over today. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a like to see more what I eat in a day with me, and comment down below because that lets me know whether to film more of these for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.